Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video. Gosh, I've got some good news for you. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes. And I'm going to be introducing a wonderful program that I've started, and it's going to benefit a lot of people. So hang around and check out this video. Okay, I'm gonna make it as short as I possibly can, so hang on in there with me. Okay, all right, let's get into it. Okay, again, I just want to thank you for taking a few moments to check out this video, and I do have a special bonus for you, some bonus information. And if you take advantage of joining me in this incredible program, then you'll be able to take advantage of our bonus program. Okay, so as you can see, Nexus SNAP Rewards, we're calling it the world's most lucrative $10 program, because that is exactly what it is. If you look here for me, it says apps and services can make you thousands yearly. Okay, something to keep note of. Also keep note of this: get paid $34 on free signups. Folks, you can join this program for free if you want to do that. All right, and when you become a premium member and you sign up free members, there's a possibility to get paid on $34 on free signups. And as we go along and as you get involved, if that's what you want to do, then we've got videos and all of that will cover a lot of this information. Okay. Additionally, you'll get paid $25 on paid signups. Okay, when you become a premium member and you sign up other people that come on board, you'll get paid $25 on paid signups. This is powerful. Also, earn 10 plus levels of team overrides. Okay, we've got a 3x10 forced matrix and 100% check match on your referrals, and a dynamic 20% coded infinity bonus. Now, if all of that doesn't make sense right now, that's okay. Just know this, that there's a lot of money to be made with this program. Now hang on in there. I've got, again, just a few other things to share with you in this video, and then we'll close it out. Okay, thanks again. Okay, so as you can see, it says here's Nexus SNAP Premium Member Commission Highlights. Okay, and let's look at Fast Start commissions. You'll earn 50%. That's $25 on all your referrals. Everybody you refer, you bring into the program that comes in as a premium member, you'll earn $25 on. Okay, and a premium membership, there's a one-time setup fee of $40. Okay, one time out of pocket, and then it's $9.95 per month after that. But for the first month, it will be $49.95. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right, if it doesn't, it will. Okay, now earn additional rewards through 10 levels. Okay, now infinity commissions through rank advancements. Boy, I can't talk today. Okay, you can get paid on an infinite levels of members. Whew, man, this is powerful. We can make a tremendous residual income and fast start money with this program. Now look at this. With 0 personally sponsored people, okay, you don't have to sponsor anybody, and the potential is that you can earn $2,460 monthly by sponsoring no one. Okay, with one personally sponsored person, you can triple your earnings and earn on 9 levels. Okay, and with 5 personally sponsored persons, okay, you can triple again and you can earn on 10 levels. Okay, I hope that you're getting the picture here. Okay, all right, let's move to the next slide. Okay, so we've got a copyrighted 20% coded infinity bonus system. Okay, as you refer others, the system codes $2 monthly payments to you. Then you receive an additional $2 coded bonus on their referrals. This process continues indefinitely in depth, providing an unlimited income potential. Okay, 2% diamond bonus pools share in 2% monthly bonus pools. If you refer 0 personal people, okay, your income potential is $2,460 per month. Okay, if you refer 1 personally sponsored person, okay, then your income potential equals $7,380.75 per month. Okay, if you refer 5 personals, your income potential is $22,143 per month, and this is with the copyrighted 20% coded infinity bonus system. Okay, as you can see, this gets tremendously powerful. A lot of money can be made here. Okay, a couple more things real quick. As you can see here, it says new $10, or it's actually $9.95 per month. Okay, a big deal, right? It's blowing up. Okay, and it's just going to be a stellar year for Nexus Rewards. And look, you can get in on it right now for $49 out of pocket, or $40 out of pocket, $9.95 per month. Okay, first month $49. Okay. This is incredible, and should you come on board with me in this opportunity, then our team gives you a huge bonus of our Jump Start advertising program. Okay, when you sign up as a premium member. What's the Jump Start advertising program? Well, we're going to advertise for you along with you, because we want you to advertise as well, but we're going to do it for at least 3 months. Okay, and we have several systems that we use, and we will be advertising your link when you come on board with us in this opportunity. Folks, this is absolutely incredible. Plus, we're going to be sharing with you some amazing advertising systems that you can use, low cost, no cost. All right, but the main thing about this is that we're going to be advertising your link for you for at least 3 months. Okay, so that's something that we wanted to share real quick. It's something new that we've added to what we're doing. All right, maybe one other thing, and then I'm closing out. Okay, well, I'm hoping that was some good news for you. We're serious about building this opportunity, and if you want to partner with somebody that's serious about building and working on this, every single day we're doing something, then come on board with us. We'll be glad to have you to become a part of what we're doing, and we're here to be a help, some assistance to those that really want to change their lives in 2025. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye-bye now. Oh, before I do actually go, grab that link in the description area of this video and get started today. Bye-bye.